If you're about to deposit $500 or $1,000 of your hard-earned money into the crypto market right now, you need to stop immediately. Statistics show that 90% of beginners wipe out their entire accounts within the first 30 days. This massive capital destruction happens mostly because of slippage, emotional trading, and pressing the wrong buttons on a complicated phone interface. Like anyone else, I used to think the only way to learn how to trade was to pay the market with real losses. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how I trade with $10,000 of virtual funds. I will show you how to use Weex Demo Trading to practice your strategies without losing a single penny. You will experience the exact same feeling of holding a profitable trade or cutting a loss, but with absolutely zero financial exposure. And if you stick around until the end of this video, I will reveal a simple trick that automatically saves you hundreds of dollars in hidden trading fees when you are finally ready to trade with your own money. Before we dive into the strategy, please listen to this important warning. Trading cryptocurrencies and derivatives involves extreme risk and could result in the total loss of your capital. The strategies and tools shared in this video are purely for educational purposes based on my personal experience. This does not constitute financial, legal, or tax advice. Always do your own research and understand that past market movements do not dictate future results. Now, let us look directly at the Weex interface. When you first open a trading platform, the charts and flashing numbers can completely overwhelm your brain. It is designed to make you act on emotion. Look at the navigation menu and click on the Demo Trading option. Instantly, you are credited with 10,000 USDT in simulated funds. Think of this as your personal sandbox. Testing a new trading strategy with your real savings is like jumping into the middle of the ocean before you even know how to swim. The demo account gives you a life jacket to learn the mechanics safely. Let me show you exactly how to place a trade. First, we need to select the trading pair, such as Bitcoin to USDT. You will notice the chart looks identical to the live market chart. The price action, the volume, and the order book are moving in real time. This means you are reacting to real market conditions, not a simulated game environment. Next, we look at the order types. Most beginners make the fatal mistake of using market orders during high volatility, which leads to terrible entry prices due to slippage. Instead, I want you to practice using limit orders right here. By setting a limit order, you tell the platform the exact price you are willing to pay. Let us type in an entry price slightly below the current market value and allocate a portion of our simulated $10,000. Then we set our leverage. Weex allows adjusting leverage, but for your practice sessions, you must keep it low. High leverage magnifies both your simulated gains and your simulated losses. Once you hit the buy button, your order is placed in the order book. Now, the most crucial part of this exercise is setting your stop loss and take profit. Many traders ignore this step and end up liquidating their accounts while they sleep. In the demo environment, you must build the habit of entering your stop loss immediately after placing the trade. Click on the position details and set a stop loss that invalidates your trade idea. When you practice this sequence 100 times with virtual money, it becomes muscle memory. So when you finally switch to a real account, you will not panic or freeze under pressure. You will execute your plan flawlessly because you have already done it safely over and over again. Back when I first started my trading journey, every time I entered a position, I would sweat bullets. I was terrified of pressing the wrong button, and to make matters worse, hidden exchange fees were silently eating away my small profits. But after spending weeks mastering my setups on the Weex Demo platform, my trading psychology completely transformed. I became calm, disciplined, and entirely focused on executing my system instead of worrying about the mechanics. If you want to start your trading journey the safest way possible, I highly recommend opening your practice account today. However, the internet is currently flooded with phishing websites impersonating real exchanges to steal your data. To make sure you are accessing the official platform securely, please only use the official registration link I have placed in the very first line of the description below. When you use that exact link or manually enter the code REBATE50 during sign-up, your account will automatically receive a permanent 30% rebate on all future trading fees. To be completely transparent with you, this is an affiliate link. The exchange will share a small commission with this channel at absolutely no extra cost to you. In fact, it actually benefits you directly by permanently lowering your trading costs. It is a win-win situation that supports the channel, so I can keep making these free tutorials for you. Now, remember the secret I promised you at the beginning of this video? The biggest trap of demo trading is treating it like a video game just because the money is not real. Never go all in on a single trade, even with your simulated $10,000. If you want to actually build skills that transfer to real wealth, you must practice strict risk management right now. Divide that $10,000 into 100 equal parts. Risk only $100 on any single setup. Track your win rate and your risk-to-reward ratio on a spreadsheet as if your actual livelihood depended on it. This mathematical approach is the only thing that separates professional analysts from degenerate gamblers. By doing this, you are programming your brain to detach from the monetary value and focus entirely on the quality of the setup. The demo account is not just for learning which buttons to press. It is an emotional training ground to conquer your greed and your fear before the market can exploit them. Managing your risk on a demo account is only step one, but to actually read Japanese candlesticks correctly and spot the perfect entry before you click buy, you absolutely must stop making this fatal charting mistake.